Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today we are going to discuss about a major talk that has happened in the last week. It's about the deal that will be happening in the near future that may or may not happen in the future, but it is not final yet. The deal that I am talking about is the Tata consumer product and a distilleries acquisition deal worth for nearly 7,000 crores. So this video is available, this content is available even in Tamil. You can see the same video in Tamil in our YouTube channel Money Page, and the link for that video is given in our description. So let's start with this content. The deal that the entire nation was talking in the last week, the Bisleri acquisition, Tata Consumer Product to acquire Bisleri for about 7,000 crore. Is it real? It has happened or not? Let's see now. Bisleri owner Ramesh Chauhan said that he is just in talks with the companies to sell his own distillery company, and he has said that they are in talks with other companies, not only Tata Consumer Products but other Indian companies as well, to take their distillery company. And after that, after his statement, Tata Consumer Product, the company's management, they stated about this ongoing deal, and they have confirmed that they are in talks with the company, with Bisleri, but they haven't finalized any amount. They haven't finalized whether they are going to acquire the entire company or whether it's going to be a majority stake acquisition like that. So we didn't know about the 7,000 crore is going to be a full company, as I said, or a majority stake in the company. So another thing we don't know still is that how Tata is going to acquire this Bisleri company. As we all know that Tata Consumer Products is a debt-free company. The 7,000 crore that they have planned, this is just an approximate amount, not a final amount. The 7,000 crore is not a final amount at all. It's just an approximate amount. So this 7,000 crore, how they are going to pay to the distillery owner? It's a private company only. How they are going to pay? Whether they are going to borrow money like a debt, or whether it's going to be a share swap, or whether they are going to use stock as a currency. Stock as a currency, which means like whether they are going to give shares to them. Like now the share is trading at around 790 to 800 as of today. It's around 68 times its earnings and 5 times its book value. It's very costly. So for 7,000 crore, if it's going to be the acquisition amount, if they are going to give the shares to them, then the Bisleri owner, he will be in a position to float the shares in the market. So only by floating his shares that is going to get in the future, if it's going to be a share swap, owner has to float the share in the market, and it will drastically impact the share prices of Tata Consumer Product, because the same thing has happened earlier. Last week we have discussed about the Sun Pharma and Ranbaxy case. What happened in that case? The Sun Pharma, while acquiring Ranbaxy, they gave shares to the Japanese drug maker Daiichi, and they just floated the shares in the that they have got during acquisition in the market, and the share price of Sun Pharma had fell from 1,000 till 370 like that. So if Tata Consumer Product is going to give shares to the distillery owner for acquiring the company, and if the owner is going to float the same in the market, then we'll be seeing a major dip in the stock prices of Tata Consumer Products. So let's move on to the next thing. First thing is the deal is not final yet. Second thing is they are still in talks. Third thing is the amount is not final. And the fourth one is we don't know how they are going to pay, like whether in cash or in a share swap manner. So first, let's see the fundamentals of both these companies, like the basic background of Bisleri as well as Tata Consumer Product. How Bisleri company was started? Bisleri company was started by Ramesh Chauhan along with his two brothers. One was his own brother and the other one was his cousin brother. All these three, this trio built strong successful brands like Parle-G, Poppins, Fruit Tea and so on. And Ramesh Chauhan, the major one, he managed the beverage segment products like Thumbs Up, Gold Spot as well as Limca. And these three products were the dominant products in the beverage segment till 1990s, because that time their major rival or their major competitor was only Pepsi, and Coke didn't enter India because they entered India in a later stage only. So until then, until 1990s, these three products that were under the control of Ramesh Chauhan was the major beverage products in the beverage segment. So when Coke entered the Indian market, they bought these three strong players in this beverage segment from Ramesh Chauhan for a very good price. Coke thought that their ideology was like to just shut these brands, and in to replace this dominant player, to replace Thumbs Up, they thought of bringing in their Coke product, their own product into the market. But till now, till today, even after 30 years of acquisition, they couldn't shut Thumbs Up. It has created a strong brand since the past, and a major thing is that Thumbs Up, it's a 1 billion strong brand. Two products in Coke company, one is Thumbs Up as well as Sprite. Only these two products of the company have a 1 billion brand image. So till date, the business that was started by these Ramesh Chauhan and his brothers are the strongest player in the beverage segment. So after selling these three products, these three beverage products to Coca-Cola, the only segment or the only business that Ramesh Chauhan had was the distillery that he had bought in the year 1968. 1968, these three brothers have bought distillery from an Italian for nearly 4 lakh, it seems, but we don't know the exact amount. In the 1960s, they are telling that it's around 4 lakhs. So they have bought distillery from an Italian. It was a packaged drinking water manufacturing company only. So for a long time, the distillery was the only packaged drinking water in India, because getting a drinking water or a packaged drinking water was not common that time in that period. So till now, in the premium water segment, Bisleri is a dominant player, and its major competitors are Kinley, that is a product of Coca-Cola, as well as Aquafina, that's a product of PepsiCo. So these two are the major competitors of Bisleri, but in the premium water segment, Bisleri is the major player. So now let's see about the Tata Consumer Products, how they started. Tata Consumer Products, they started as Tata Tea. To quote it accurately, they started like Tata Finlay. That was the first name. After that, they converted into Tata Tea. So under the leadership of Ratan Tata, they acquired Tetley. They acquired this company, Tetley. It's a majorly a green tea based company. They acquired Tetley and they merged with Tata Tea. After that, they ventured into the coffee segment as well. Tata Coffee was very successful, and after the success of Tata Coffee, they just went to their other segment like Tata Chemicals. They were selling Tata Salt and Dal related items and all. So what they did was they just demerged these products like Tata Salt, Dal products and all from Tata Chemicals, and they just bought it from them and they started to sell. And only after acquiring these two major products, Tata Tea was the name converted into Tata Consumer Products. So the name shift happened here when they acquired the other segments also. So Tata Consumer Product started to offer all the consumer related products, and the share prices started to rise because of the success in each and every stream of business. So after tasting a long success thing, they entered into a JV, a joint venture with the globally renowned coffee maker Starbucks. So the Starbucks that is operating in India is a joint venture between Tata and Starbucks company. So Starbucks has not yet become profitable, but it will happen in the near future because of the problem that is happening in the cafe coffee day, the major player in this beverage segment. Tata and Starbucks could easily bring Starbucks to a market leader position as well. And two more important things. First important thing, this is a premium or a high quality segment, and it has a higher margin. This coffee maker is a higher margin or a higher profitable segment. And the next one is the seed, the coffee seed that they are procuring is from the Tata Coffee itself. And Tata Coffee, the majority stake of this company is with the Tata Tea. So it's a major subsidiary of this Tata Tea company. So as this company grows, as Starbucks grows, Tata Coffee will grow. When Tata Coffee grows, Tata Tea or the Tata Consumer Product also will grow. And one more thing, the Tata Coffee is also listed separately. All these products that they are marketing, that they are manufacturing and selling to the consumers, all were successful. And that's the reason in 20 years, their company valuation have increased by 10 times. So why they are now suddenly acquiring or trying to acquire Bisleri? There are two major reasons. first reason was the higher margin business that Bisleri is offering. The Bisleri company is as quoted that it has a profit of nearly 200 crores. But even though it's a private company and we cannot rely or go by its numbers, they are claiming that they are earning a profit of nearly 200 crores, which is very huge margin. But the second important reason why they are willing to acquire Bisleri is the strong distribution network. In the FMCG sector, that too in India, ITC has a strong distribution network all over the country, even in petty shops, even in big malls, in every places ITC has a diversified distribution system. After ITC comes HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited, and one step below that comes Bisleri, because you can get a Bisleri water bottle in a small shop, in a petty shop, as well as you can get the same Bisleri water bottle in malls, in cinema theaters, everywhere you can get. So that much market penetration this Bisleri company has. So that's why Tata Consumer Products is very keen to acquire this Bisleri company. And one more thing, Tata Consumer Product is venturing into new business lines also. Like they have revived some segments, some sectors, or some products that they have acquired before. Like they have come up with a product like called Soulful. They are manufacturing ragi and millet based snacks items to the health conscious Indians. So they are increasing, or they are producing the products at a rapid pace, and for that they need a strong distribution network to spread it all over the country. So in the near future, as Bisleri has diversified its business throughout India, like same way Tata Consumer Products would be available, would have a great reach than before. This is why Tata Consumer Products is very much keen to acquire Bisleri. But why the owner, or why Ramesh Chauhan has decided to sell this company is that he has quoted saying his daughters are not interested in running this business, and 82-year-old Ramesh Chauhan couldn't handle the business further in the upcoming years. So that's why he's trying to sell off this business and take cash out of it. So that's the reason why he is going to sell his own company. So if this is going to happen, like if Bisleri and Tata Consumer Products deal is going to happen in the near future, then if the deal is also going to be finalized, it is the largest FMCG deal in India, because in the last year we have seen like a Sunrise that has been acquired by ITC for nearly 2,150 crores. That was a major, or that was the largest FMCG acquisition that has happened before. But if this deal is going to be finalized, then this would turn out to be the major or the largest FMCG deal that India has seen. So let's see what happens in the near future, and we'll meet in another video. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Thank you so much.
In the first week of December, between 8th and 12th of December, I plan to be in Muscat in the Sultanate of Oman. Those who would like to see me in Oman can get in touch with my team. There's a WhatsApp number given below, and there's an email ID also given below. So those desirous of getting in touch with me at the Sultanate of Oman, especially in the city of Muscat from 8th to 12th of December, can definitely contact me there. I hope to see you all in Oman soon. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.